Hey there, SQL enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex tech topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling episode 176, How to View a Table in SQL for 2025. If you're new to SQL or just brushing up your skills, this is perfect for you. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the backbone of managing and manipulating databases, and viewing a table is one of the first things you'll need to master. First off, why view a table? It's all about inspecting your data to ensure it's accurate, troubleshoot issues, or just get a quick overview. The good news is, it's straightforward with the right command. Let's jump in. To start, you'll need access to a SQL database environment like MySQL, SQL Server, or even an online tool like SQLite. Once you're connected, the magic happens with the select statement. The most basic way to view an entire table is by using select asterisk from table_name. Here, table_name is the name of your table, like employees or products. This command fetches all rows and columns from that table and displays them on your screen. But wait, what if you only want specific data? You can customize it. For example, select column 1, column 2 from table_name will show just those columns. And to filter results, add a where clause, like select asterisk from employees where department equals sales. This narrows down your output to only relevant entries. One common pitfall for beginners is forgetting to specify the database or dealing with case sensitivity, depending on your SQL dialect. Always double-check your syntax and use tools like MySQL Workbench for a user-friendly interface. By 2025, SQL standards might evolve, but these fundamentals remain rock solid. Practice this in a safe environment, maybe on a sample database, to build your confidence. Once you're comfortable, you can explore more advanced queries. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more SQL tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's learn together.